Alright, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 462. It's last night's bin of artifacts. So, here we go. Courtesy of 643boxbreaks.com. Bringing you live auctions and breaks every night. So, Todd, Bob, Aaron, Frank, Flyers, 420 Mike, Chucky, Thrush 44. Come back, bud. Skeet, Johnny Boy, Todd, Chuck, and Aaron, all with 5+ free darts. TJ, Aaron, Phyllis, Frank, Marty, Bill, Todd, Phyllis, and Frank and Phyllis have the free darts. And I'm rolling out my new bonus night. Hold these over here for now. I'll do it after the break. First, we're going to give away the free darts and then the purchase darts. So, we got Todd with a free dart. Double 18. We got Aaron with the free dart. Double 10. And we got Chuck with the free dart. Single 7. And I'm going to pull 3 for Frank. Got a triple 14. Yeah, it's a new bonus. It's going to be fun. It involves 3 darts, and you get to keep them for cricket, too. So. Triple 12 for Frank. And, wow, triple 20 for Frank. 3 triples. Nice. And 3 for Phyllis. Single 20. And I'm doing this new bonus on my own dime, so I'm not going to be adding any prices to any cost of the teams. Triple 17. And single 16 for Phyllis. That takes care of the shenanigans. We got 3 gems and stinkers left. 5, 25, and 30. Whatever doesn't go here is going to go in the break tonight. So I'm going to roll. It'll be 1 through 10. Will be the first card, second card, and third. Swan, this is for Bill. Good luck to Bill. It is a 25. You're going to get the third card. And that is number 30. And Bill, you have got a stinker. And it is one of the bad stinkers again. Game jersey, Keith Primo. Sorry, bud. Keith Primo. Upper Deck game jersey. This is from 06, 07. Wow. So there's 2 left. Those last 2 are going to go on the cash starts tonight. Now, guys, on blog, I'm not used to doing a bonus after the break, so remind me to do it after this box is out, busted. Here's our box ending in 648. Almost the 643 box. Not quite. Factory sealed goodness. Oh, Mike's been... Oh, there he is. I was going to say, Mike's been waiting for the break all day. And then he leaves. But he's back now. So, 10 packs, empty box. Frisbee. Todd's looking for the case hit awesomeness that will be McKinnon, I'm thinking. Murphy, Gartner, Ekman Larson, Spacer, and this card comes out every time. Carolina needed another stall, so they got Jared. It's not Jared from Storage Wars. Jared Stahl going to Todd. Had one of those in the last box too. It's really weird. PK Subban. Nice, we got a Ruby Team Canada coming up. Voinov. Spacer. Game Center Live. Oh, nice. Go to Montreal Canadiens. Out of $2.99. Steve Shutt. Like that. The old school Team Canada jersey. There you go, buddy. That's a cool card. A mem card in this one. Oh, JBR just scores for the Leafs. Oh, Ovechkin. Yager. And for the Philadelphia Flyers, and Aaron. Nice. Bernie Perron out of 125. Cool looking. The right side is a little smackish on it, so it's kind of neat. Alright, Kessel 2 points. Ooh, hello. We got a Spectrum base. Kovalchuk. Volcanic. Spacer. Game Center Live. And for the Washington Capitals and Chucky. Mike Ribeiro. Spectrum out of 25. First Spectrum base I pulled. Really shiny. Oh, patchy. Nice, we got a patch. I hate boxes where we don't get a patch. Oh, a Ruby rookie in this one. Luke Adam, Tyler Seguin, Lindros, Spacer. For the Dallas Stars. And Flyers Takedown, cleaning up the last team. Gives you an Alex Chason rookie card of $2.99. Boo patch. You can still get the redemption rookie in a patch box, can't you? Or is it like last year? Dion Phaneuf, Lucic, Parise, Spacer, Game Center Live, Team Canada, and the Edmonton Oilers, and Chucky. Colton Tubert out of $9.99. Oh, really? That's kind of a bummer. I've had a patchless box, but it was just a brutal box. It didn't have anything. Lemaire, Briere, here's our redemption. Luke Shen. Spacer, and slow rolling it. 4. No. Carolina and Todd. There you go. Redemptions always carry value. Winner. There you go. Marlowe, Horton. Here's our Autofax. Sundin. Spacer. And for the Nashville Predators and TJ, Matthew Halischuk. Yeah, they do. And one more mem here before we get to the patch. We got Justin Williams, Michael Frolik. Oh, we might have a trios here. Yeah, oh, go figure. Tundra Trios for the Colorado Avalanche. And Flyers Takedown. Matt Duchene, J.S. Shiger, and Paul Stastny. Oh yeah, Lindholm, right. There you go. And let's see what our patch is. How did anybody beat you to Colorado, Todd? Camilleri, Lidstrom, Duncan Keith, and Bouwmeester. And It's a horizontal for Phyllis and the Vancouver Canucks. Oh, and it's a stunning single blue patch. And a white jersey of Bobby Lou out of 36. You got 2 of those already, Tivo? Nice. Sell one, keep the other. You're laughing. So, ladies and gentlemen, that would have been the break, but we're going to do my new bonus now. Because I actually remembered. It's called Toe the Line. This is how it works. I'm going to be rolling this bonus out for free in every bin that I do. So, I'm going to pull 3 darts. You're going to get to keep those darts for your cricket page, which is win-win right there. And if you get 1 through 29, you'll be getting the Nancy card here. 30 to 99, you're going to get the insert pack, just a bunch of little random inserts. And 100 to 139, you'll get a gem and stinker from the real gem and stinker box. 140 and above to 179, you're going to get the gem card. And anything else, you're going to get the hobby box. And tonight, I'm going to be giving away a box of titanium. That, if you get it. So, just spin the wheel once to see what team wins. There's no restrictions on how many teams you have or anything like that. So I'm going to spin it once, and then we're going to pull from the bag and see who gets what. Kind of a little fun bonus tack on. Here we go. It is the St. Louis Blues and Chucky winning the first inaugural Toe the Line bonus. Chuck. I'm going to put the bag back up here, and we're going to draw 3 for you and add her up. So, 1 for Chuck is a single 14. Oh, and a single 7. You could get the Nancy card. You got 21. You can need 29 or less. And you got a single bull. So you got 32, 40, 46. And 46 gives you the insert pack, unfortunately. But you get to keep your 3 darts. It's always bonus. Actually, these over here. And I'm going to pull your insert pack for you. Now keep in mind, I do this bonus at my own dime, so the insert pack might be a little lame. We'll see. I can't even remember what I put in it, to tell you the truth. But it's just a bunch of extra cards for you. Collector's Choice Reserve, Mike Pekka. You got a Marty Brodeur, Victory Stars of the Game. You got a Prime base card out of Brendan Morrow out of 249. You got a Path to the Cup, Patrick Hornquist and Pavel Datsyuk out of 399. Oh, there's a jersey card. You got a Ray Whitney First Exposures jersey card from Be a Player. You got a Red Aspirations of Ryan Suter. You have a Hockey Headlines of Ovechkin. You have an Ice Premiers of Tommy Mackey and Upper Deck Game Canvas of David Perron. So there you go. I hope you enjoy those cards. Thank you guys for bidding, and I'll see you on my next bin turn. Have a great one.